Hi everyone, this is Kari from the Western Ranch Library. I'm recording from my craft room at home. I hope you all are doing well. I miss you. And today I'd like to show you a fun, easy craft that's perfect for tweens, teens, and adults. It can be made with items found around your home. And if you'd like to do one or a variation, please do tag us, post a picture. We'd love to see it. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to make is this handy dandy cell phone speaker holder. It'll make your cell phone a little bit louder, amplify it, plus hold it. You can decorate it any way that you like. You could make it any width that you'd like, depending on the size of your phone. All you need to get started is a toilet paper roll or paper towel roll, and just need to peel all the paper towel off. Now for this, I used Parrot Blue paint. I believe they're $1.29 or so from Hobby Lobby, but you can use any paint that you have at home. If you want to use paint, you can use markers, crayons, whatever you'd like. You're going to need some scissors and an X-Acto knife if you have one. If not, a sharp knife will work. That'll be to cut the toilet paper roll. You'll need 4 push pin tacks, any color. If you don't have those, toothpicks will be sufficient. And any kind of embellishment or decoration you want. If you have stickers, look-in drawers, things like that, it doesn't matter. Whatever you find that you want to create with and that makes you happy is perfect for this craft. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is take the device that you'd like to use, try and center it in the middle, and you're going to get your pencil and you're going to want to trace it all around. It is kind of hard to do by yourself. So if you have a relative, someone in your house that you can ask to help you, feel free to. Do make it a little bigger than the device when you cut, but don't make it too big. You don't want it to be loosey-goosey. You want your phone to fit in well. You can grab your X-Acto knife, your sharp knife, even scissors if you need to will work. Be extra careful. I don't want any boo-boos while we're doing the craft. And you're just going to cut. Once you cut, have it all cut out. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one's going to see it once you decorate it. Oh, well, unless you rip it like that. You don't really want to rip it like that. So if you make a mess or a boo-boo like I did, no worries. You can tape it, or you can grab another one if you have it at home. But do not worry. Happy mistakes are for a reason. That's what we call them when we craft. Alright, so the phone doesn't quite fit, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Just want to try to keep it as evenly as possible in the middle. So, bear with me. I'm new to this crafting and recording myself. So you can put a piece of tape there so no one can really see that. A sticker there, it doesn't matter. And see how your phone is not too loose. You don't want it to wiggle around in there. So, that step is all done. That we have our roll cut, we're going to go ahead and do the tacks. And the reason I like to do this first is I like to make the holes, and then if I make a mistake and I don't like them, then I like to go ahead and cover it with tape, paint, markers, stickers, whatever, just to make it look pretty. And so you want the tacks to be symmetrical. You kind of want to put your phone in and see what works. If it's slanted too far back for you, you can go ahead and raise the tacks up a little higher. If it's too low, you can make them lower. Whatever works for you. And then you're going to want to put the tacks in the front the same way. And you might not like these brown tacks, and that's okay. You can cover them, paint them, do something with them, but really, it doesn't matter. So one thing that I had a problem with my bigger phone is that the weight was not as distributed. Even when I used a tack, it wasn't heavy enough. And so I went ahead and I found some eraser lying around, and I cut it in little pieces, and then I went ahead and I put them on the front inside on the sharp part of the tacks, because you also don't want that. And it does add a little bit of weight. See, this one I've made a lot of holes, but that's okay. Crafting is not perfect. Crafting is all about fun and practicing to see what works. So let me know what worked for you, what you used. If you did not find any tacks, I had trouble finding tacks actually. I had to get them from my husband's shop. You can also use toothpicks. Toothpicks will work. You can poke it and you can cut off what you don't need. And once you get the tacks the way you like them, you can go ahead and take them out and start decorating. So like I said, paint, stickers, markers, washi tape, duct tape. The sky's the limit. Just be creative, have fun, and please take a picture, post it, let me know what you did. If you're interested in learning more about crafting with cardboard, download our Hoopla app and you'll get access to these great titles plus many more.